In a world filled with constant interactions and communication, the ability to influence others is a valuable skill. Whether you're aiming to persuade a colleague, negotiate a deal, or simply make new friends, mastering the art of influencing others can open doors to countless opportunities. In this beginner's guide, we'll explore practical strategies and techniques to help you win people over and become a more effective influencer. Hey there, welcome to Clumbox. If you haven't yet, take a second to smash that subscribe button and like this video if you find it helpful. 1. Understanding the power of influence. Before delving into specific tactics, it's essential to understand what influence is and why it matters. Influence is the ability to shape the thoughts, feelings, and actions of others. It's about persuading people to see things from your perspective, adopt your ideas, or take a particular course of action. The ability to influence others is crucial in both personal and professional settings. Whether you're trying to sell a product, lead a team, or build meaningful relationships, your success often hinges on your ability to influence others positively. 2. Building rapport and trust. One of the fundamental principles of influence is building rapport and trust with others. People are more likely to be influenced by those they like and trust. To win people over, focus on establishing genuine connections and building relationships based on mutual respect and understanding. Listen actively to what others have to say, show empathy, and demonstrate genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. Pay attention to nonverbal cues such as body language and facial expressions, as they can provide valuable insights into people's emotions and attitudes. 3. Demonstrating empathy and understanding. Empathy is a powerful tool for influencing others. By putting yourself in someone else's shoes and understanding their perspective, you can build empathy and create a sense of connection. When people feel understood and valued, they are more likely to be receptive to your ideas and suggestions. Practice active listening and strive to understand the motivations and concerns of those you wish to influence. Ask open-ended questions to encourage them to share their thoughts and feelings, and validate their experiences by acknowledging their emotions. 4. Finding common ground. Another effective way to influence others is to find common ground and emphasize shared interests and goals. When people perceive that you are working towards a common objective, they are more likely to collaborate and support your efforts. Identify areas of agreement and focus on highlighting shared values and objectives. By framing your ideas in a way that resonates with the interests and priorities of your audience, you can increase their receptiveness to your message. 5. Using social proof and authority. Social proof is a psychological phenomenon where people look to others' actions and behaviors to guide their own decisions. By leveraging social proof, you can influence others by demonstrating that your ideas or proposals are endorsed by credible sources or are aligned with popular opinion. Highlight testimonials, endorsements, or success stories from satisfied customers or respected individuals to provide social proof for your ideas. Additionally, establishing yourself as an authority in your field can enhance your influence by lending credibility to your expertise and opinions. 6. Mastering the art of persuasion. Persuasion is the cornerstone of influence, and mastering the art of persuasion is essential for winning people over. Persuasion involves presenting your ideas or arguments in a compelling and convincing manner to sway others' opinions or behaviors. Use persuasive techniques such as storytelling, analogies, and vivid imagery to make your message more engaging and memorable. Appeal to people's emotions by tapping into their desires, fears, or aspirations, and frame your ideas in a way that resonates with their values and beliefs. 7. Overcoming objections and resistance. Influencing others often involves overcoming objections and resistance. People may have concerns, doubts, or reservations about your ideas or proposals, and addressing these objections is essential for gaining their support. Listen actively to people's concerns and acknowledge their valid points. Provide evidence, examples, or counter-arguments to address their objections and demonstrate the feasibility or benefits of your ideas. Be patient and persistent, and avoid becoming defensive or dismissive of opposing viewpoints. 8. Building consensus and collaboration. Effective influence is not about imposing your will on others, but about building consensus and fostering collaboration. Seek input and feedback from those you wish to influence, and involve them in the decision-making process to increase their ownership and commitment. Create opportunities for dialogue and collaboration, and encourage brainstorming and creative problem-solving. By involving others in the decision-making process and valuing their contributions, you can build trust and consensus, making it easier to win people over to your side. In summary, influence is a powerful tool for achieving your goals and making a positive impact on others. By understanding the principles of influence and mastering the art of persuasion, you can win people over and become a more effective communicator and leader. Remember to build rapport and trust, demonstrate empathy and understanding, and find common ground with those you wish to influence. Use social proof and authority to lend credibility to your ideas, and master the art of persuasion to make your message more compelling and persuasive. By overcoming objections and resistance, and building consensus and collaboration, you can create win-win outcomes that benefit everyone involved. With practice and persistence, you can become a master influencer and achieve success in both your personal and professional life. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to smash the like button if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Clumbox for more videos like this. Leave a comment down below and we'll do well to reply. Keep thriving with us, and see you next time.